Hi guys, today we're going to start our printmaking project, and when you start you're going to pick a book or a picture from the stack of books. I just picked this boating book and was looking through it, and I liked this picture of this sailboat, so I'm going to do a picture of a sailboat. Now you can see from the example on the screen at the top and bottom of the page that it's a print of the sailboat, and the way I did that was I first drew that picture on this white piece of paper, and I'm going to show you each step. And then I put this paper on top of my printmaking block. Now this foam board, we're going to press our drawing into the foam board, and that's what will become our printmaking block. Okay, so you'll see. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this picture. So when I draw this picture, if I don't include the background, like the sky and stuff, I'll put a design in. I'm going to put like swirly clouds in for a background. But you have to use the whole paper. You need a design in the whole paper. You just don't just draw a little tiny sailboat in the middle, because we want to use up the paper and create a design to make our picture look more interesting, like in the example. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the sailboat. Now the sailboat is really just shapes. So pick something that's you know you can draw, because it's going to be something you're going to make lots of copies of, and you don't want something that I drew for you, because then that's no fun. Okay, so I'm going to draw this sailboat, and this is really just a triangle with another triangle with the side cut off. So I'm going to just draw this first sail like this. And guys, if it's off a little bit, we can always fix it up. And then there's this, I think that's called the mast, but I'm not positive. So I'm going to put this line down here. Okay, and then the other sail is like this. It's a triangle, and then it curves, and I'll make it even higher and have it come back down like this, and it comes over. So see how I'm kind of filling up the paper? And then the boat, which is coming out of the water, is like this. Okay, and I made a little bit more of a curved top, and then it'll come down like this, and then I'll put waves in like that. Okay, and then this attaches there, and this sail attaches there into the top of the, I'm going to put a circle up here, and it attaches there. Okay, and then in the background for the wind, oh, and I have to put the little house kind of thing. Again, I don't know what the real name of that is, and I'm not worried about that because I'm worried about making my picture. It's like that, and then we can even draw like like an oval for somebody's head and shoulders, like it's somebody's silhouette. You can't really see them, but they're on the boat. Okay, and then I'll put a line down here, down the middle, like it's a different color on the bottom half, and I'll put these lines in. Okay, and I'm going to put in swirls for the sky. And maybe I'll put a sun up in the corner. Okay, so see how I'm filling up the sky? And maybe I'll put some birds, some seagulls flying off. Okay, and here's some waves down here. Okay, and once I finish this, and I'm going to put like just a line here. Now everything, when you print this, it's going to print backwards, so it's going to print, the sail is going to be on this side because we flip it over to print it. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put instead of V-E-S, I'm going to go V-E, and my E is backwards, and my S is backwards. So it takes a little bit of thinking about planning out how you're going to write things if you're going to use words. And if I put vermilion at the start over here, V E R M I L I. Oops, I ran out of room, so I'm going to have to erase that. So, and I'm going to erase that real quick. And this is why you do it on the paper first, because if you do make a mistake, it's easy to erase off the paper. V E R M I L I O N. So everything's backwards, but it'll print forwards when we do the printing part of it. Okay. So next step will be to transfer this to my block. Okay.